Let's unpack some of those things. So the first one around Section 21, um, uh, it's our preferred tool for us when we need to ask a tenant to leave.
Yeah.
And the reason we tend to do that, and I've had this conversation with many people and says, why do you use a Section 21? Why would a landlord want a property back? I say, look, if it's a good tenant, there's no antisocial behaviour, they're paying the rent on time, you don't want the property back. You want the tenant there. You're happy with that. The only time you want the property back is one of those problems. But the reality is, going through the Section 8 route is so painful that it's just easier just to go down this route. And that's why we've chosen to do that. What do you think is your thoughts on what we need to be thinking about and where around the loss of the Section 21?
So realistically, like you say, no landlord gets rid of a good tenant because that doesn't make business sense.
Yes.
It's going to be about evidence now. Most of the time it's rent arrears or antisocial behaviour are the main grounds for getting rid of a tenant. The rent arrears grounds are changing from the tenant being 2 months in arrears, it'll now be 3 months in arrears. The notice is changing from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. So technically landlords will be 4 months in arrears before they can even make an application to court.